This Y-Pack switch here I bought a couple of years ago. I thought it was good. Oh my god. I got ripped off again, but it was about 3 years ago, I guess now, or 2.5 years ago. This is broken. I tried to wire the horn, and just a simple little wiring to the horn. Fuse box to the switch, to ground. That was the plan, just to get that horn going. Every time I touched it, I kept popping a fuse. And had it all wired in here, and I go, what the hell's going on? Like, it's simple. Like, this is just a simple circuit. I was screwing out with the 12. You know, I just couldn't believe it. So then I decided I'm going to pull the switch right out here on the table, put it down, and see what's going on. And as soon as I took it apart, it just fell apart. Where's my glasses? Here's my glasses. I'll show you. You can see this part of the switch here is broken away, and the pin's missing. And what it was doing, I pushed the button, this thing would be hitting ground, or vibrate and hit ground, then not ground, and short itself out through the handlebars. Kept popping fuses. So I got a new one of these on order. They're aftermarket. They're $20 US. And I'm going to see if I can put the green switch in it. I think green was only used for the 6970. After that, they were all red. So that's the one issue I'm working with. My second side cover is just about done at Peter's. And then the other issue is the side cover. I was a little bit worried about this, but I thought I could work around it. But if this is sticking out too far, it's going to hit the inside of the side cover. You can see somebody else previously cut this out. Maybe they did the same thing, I don't know. They cut it out for some reason. So this is just touching, like if I lock it into the holes here on the frame, you know, this inner box hits the fuse panel. And you know, this 3/4 inch mahogany I got in there is just kind of going to be kind of a temporary fix, you know, until I made something more permanent. Like this would have held steady and would have worked probably forever, but you know, it's a piece of wood. Not what I want. What I wanted was, I used to have a bigger piece of this here. This is 2 mil carbon fiber, but I've used that up over the years. So I ordered another piece. Just came in yesterday. This is 3 mil. I wish I'd ordered 2 mil, and this because it's pretty heavy. So I'm going to remake the fuse panel holder out of this 3 mil carbon fiber, and I'll do a little bit better job of it mounting in there properly. May use some epoxy, panel bonding epoxy, box it up a little bit so it goes down the side, and that's what I'm going to do next. Yeah, because that's a little hokey in there. Yeah, I just wanted to get it all hooked up and working. Everything's a struggle. We'll turn the key off here. And that's where I'm at. I'm actually going to London right now to pick up a car. And let Peter's get a paint for a friend. And I'm going to pick up my 2 green panels that are in London. And I think I'm going to sell them. I think I'm going to sell those panels. It's going to be so much easier going black. Black looks great, looks beautiful, especially with a silver frame. Like I had the panels on there before. It looks really good. And I think I'm just going to give up on the green. I just want to get this bike all back together. Get it back together, freaking running. So that's what I'm going to do. Peter's just about got the second panel done. The first panel is all ready for paint. The second panel is just about ready for paint, and I just got to get on him about the get that tank done. So hopefully in the next week I can get that all done with him. He's getting caught up on a lot of his projects here, and by then I should have the wiring in and have that Y-Pack switch in there, and get this bike going. This is crazy. It's going to be July 1st in a couple days. And I still haven't ridden this bike yet. Okay, that's it for now. Look at that. What the heck is it? Oh, I'm back from London. Went to see my nephew to get my 2 side covers back because I was going to have him clear coat the logos on there, the 750 Norton. And he had just gone for lunch, and he only had one of my covers. So I called him. I go, "Where's my other cover?" I said, "I'm going to go black." I said, I just can't wait any longer. And he said, "My other cover's in Forest, Ontario, which is a lot closer to Sarnia, at the paint supplier." And the paint supplier got a match. So, yeah, 1 second here. So the paint supplier's got a match. I'm going to flip-flop again. Just like the Democrats and the Republicans, I'm going to flip-flop. I'm going back to green because now I just got to paint the tank. I don't need the side covers painted. Side covers are done, and Peter is going out to Forest tomorrow. He's got to pick up some supplies for his painting operation, so he's going to grab my side cover, and he's going to get the paint code because the guy sent the cover there, and whether he got it through House of Colors or sent it away or something, but we got the paint code for the green, the proper paint code, finally. So Peter's gonna go get that, and we're going green again. I just got to get him to paint my tank. Okay, so that's what's going on there today. I ordered the Y-Pack switch, the handlebar switch on the bike here. Once I get that, I can hook up the wiring, because that was fucking me up. I was, I'm not kidding you. I spent a little time on it one night, maybe 15, 20 minutes. I couldn't figure what the hell's going on here. I thought maybe I had the positive wire on the horn grounded or something. I was popping fuses, and then I checked in the handlebar switch and all the wires in here. It just was pissing me off. Finally, I took it apart, and it almost fell apart actually when I opened it up, and it was broken. So that's the issue there. I'm going to try to take it apart and put the green knob in the new one so it'll look stock. And yeah, I think we might have some action on this bike here in the next couple weeks. Okay, so that's it for today, and I got to start on that Sportster over there. Where? Over there. So I'm going to start a little video blog on that one, and that one's going to need some work. So I don't know how much money the guy wants to put into it, but it's going to need head gaskets right off the bat. It's been sitting for so long. It needs a battery. Brakes are seized. So I'm going to start up a V blog on that Sportster 1983, the last year. That's coming soon.